Good morning, buddies. Today I am going to show you how to create a folder in your MX player. That's what I am going to do now. So, first step you need to do is you go to MX player and you can create a folder right now in the MX player. So you can do anything in the MX player to create a folder, or if you want to move something from any folder like this, so you can't do anything to move any files from MX player to another one. So you need to go to file manager. So go to phone storage or something that you have. You may be working on SD card or something. So first of all, you create your folder by go to new, create a folder, so that you can move something from another folder to this folder, and name this like your name. I may be naming like Quetty, so let it be the folder name. So I wanted to the folder is creating right now. My mobile is so lagging and it may take some time, but your mobile may not have to take this much time. So let me go to salute you. Okay, there are 3 videos, so that I will be moving this one to that one. 1 2 3. So there is a move option, and we just go back, and you can directly go to QWERTY and just paste it here. So the 3 videos which were in the Salute tube are now in this one. So you can go back to MX player. So now you can look for this folder QWERTY. QWERTY. So you have created the folder which was not in this one Salute tube. So you have successfully created a folder in MX player. Thanks for watching, bros.